Hey, what's up guys? Okay, so let us take a look at the gold market for the coming week. Okay, so as usual, what we do is we will always go to this top-down analysis. Okay, we go to the monthly time frame. You can see monthly actually is still in a bullish right now. Okay, but it's still in the middle of a month. Right, so you go to the weekly. Weekly again, if we zoom in a bit, okay, it's closed in bullish as well. Okay, so let me recap here again. So after weekly gold actually break up from this resistance here. Okay, coming back to retest, become a new support, and then actually going up back. Okay, and then eventually coming down back to retest back to this new demand zone over here. So if we put this zone over here, right, this one is a really big rally. Okay, go actually shooting up and then coming back to retest back to this zone, and then actually now heading back upwards. Okay, so if we go to daily, okay, so if we look at daily right now, you can see that this one go actually close in bullish as well. Okay, so you have to take note, this one is actually another new supply zone over here. Okay, it's a bearish engulfing right now here. Okay, so this one we can actually basically monitor for the coming week here. Okay, this one is a supply zone, and then if you go to the H4, so again you can see that this one is basically also a supply zone in the H4 time frame as well, right? You see this one is a H4 time frame supply zone as well. Okay, so and then go last week as well. Okay, just like Danny mentioned on the last Friday video. Okay, go make a huge drop over here after you compress. Okay, after the huge rejections over here, after the huge compression over here. Okay, so you can see this one is actually a flat pattern here, right? So go compress until eventually break up. Okay, so break up and then you drop all the way down to this one. This one, if you look at this one, the H4 time frame, this one is actually a demand zone over here. This one is a really base rally. So that's go once break up, you actually have a rejection back upwards here. Okay, from this demand zone here. So boom, actually potentially coming back to this one, the new supply zone over here in the H4, as well as a daily supply as well. So you can see this is a daily engulfing here. Okay, so this zone you can actually monitor for the coming week. Okay, tomorrow onwards. So this is a zone you can actually monitor. Okay, so if gold were to manage to break up again, okay, so again let me show you here. Okay, this one is a zone that we have been monitoring for almost 2 weeks here. Okay, this one is a zone, strong significant support and resistance zone here, and this is a price here 5100. Okay, so this one is a strong resistance. Okay, break up, become a new support here. Okay, then break out, again become new resistance. There's a multiple resistance over here. Okay, then gold might actually potentially coming back to retest back to this zone here. Okay, if gold were to manage to break up, so we can actually anticipate for gold to actually pull back and actually go up much higher. Okay, so the next zone that we can actually monitor could be this zone over here. Okay, this one is so if you look over here, this one is basically a base drop here, right? So base drop is a supply zone over here. Okay, this one is a zone, and then if gold manage to break up higher again, then we can actually anticipate gold to go to this previous all-time high here. Okay, this is the previous all-time high here. Okay, so these are the zone. All right, so if gold were to manage to reject from this zone here, okay, so for the demand zone, the lower demand zone, we can actually, this one, the first zone, it might actually coming back to retest back to this zone, or if go lower, this one could be a next demand zone lower here, right? So if you look over here, this one is a bullish engulfing here. Okay, so this one are the lower zone, and this one is above supply zone here. All right, so if you want to know more, please join my Telegram channel, DTA International Academy, for more information and daily educations. Okay, so see you guys there.